全新沃尔沃 S90 30.09万起。
Tonight we have all new S90 launch event. So I'm so excited actually. I am now inside the factory. First we have the tour around here to learn about the new safety function. Let's go take a look at this gorgeous body of Volvo S90. Here guys, on the right side from me, we can see every color represents different material of body composition. Look at this guys, left side from me, they're crash test dummies and they are represented by real people. Indeed, it's all about safety. Volvo made it really differently. It's like a whole part of the factory decorated for today's keynote. Here we have some shapes of the cars. I found the car which my dad used to drive when I was young. This is it, this is the car. Take a look guys. And on the other side, we have some activity where you can smell the environment or the toxic smells within the car, which could possibly be within the car. So we're gonna go there and try to find the right one without any smell. Let's go try it.
So what's your answer?
I feel only this one. I think this one.
是这个吗？
This one. Oh, 谢谢 for being #1 sensitive nose in here. I got the cute magnet for the fridge. Hey, welcome to Sweden. Quite interesting stand. Shows us the materials which are used to manufacture the battery and some waste which is coming out, like the copper waste. This is really heavy, guys. And we have some locals here, Volvo fish. Hey. The seats are comfortable. It's not China soft, it's Sweden tough, but very, very comfortable. With all the support you need, and look at this length. Look at the length of the seat. The first time, my legs are not in the ear. China is going so digital. Europe is all about books. We received today a guide, this thick, and now we have Xiao Hongma Safety Education Program. It's whole book designed for you to learn how to drive safely. I think this is really cool, you know? Can I have one? 好，美女，你好，这个可以拿一个吗？还是不行？我可以拿一个就好。
Okay.
Thank you so much, thank you. Gonna give it to my son to color. And look at this, it's the first Fabokui like this. I never ever seen anything like this in China.
安全永无终点，安全永远可以更进一步。
全新沃尔沃 S90 限时参考尊享价30.09万起。
We just finished the keynote, the Fabokui, and I'm shocked, guys. This is the first time I ever seen that the manufacturer brought body in white directly to this stage here, where the car is now. The CEO, the managers, all the bosses just talking here. It's like a sharing of group, not a fancy meeting with the big boss. Simple, yet with taste. Let's see the car. We have a new grille here in S90, and we also have the new LED light which came from other models which we released previously. The design of the light and overall face of this car, the overall shape of this car is very much the same as it used to be, just with a little bit new elements. The all-new S90 is like a second, third, fourth generation of the family. Look, even the backline, it's a new style, new design. However, it doesn't feel super modern. It doesn't feel to me like it's something brand new, like out of the brain just coming there. It's a very continuous design, and everything in this car is like this. The first feeling, first impression, I simply love it. You know, there's not much difference with previous versions to me personally. There are no fancy big screens here. Like, everything physical. There are lots of buttons around. I feel that style doesn't need to be upgraded every year. You just change a little bit like facelift, but keep your DNA inside. This is something where I believe Chinese brands have to learn, because it's a long way, right? To keep your DNA, to keep what you are and be happy of it, be proud of it. Simple, practical, and you can feel quality everywhere. Wherever you touch, it's high quality. I can't believe myself. Look at this. 3 fists, guys. It's unbelievable. I can lie down and still have the space. Look at this. I have enough head space sitting straight. Why? Because here they have a special head space which is going higher a little bit deeper. It's very simple, right? It's not fancy, huge panoramic glass on the top. It's just a small design which helps you to feel comfortable. So I'm not sure how it drives. I never tried this S90, but from my memories about S60, it drives perfect. So we're gonna take it for a ride maybe later. If you guys want it, answer in the comment, then we're gonna do it. Let's open the trunk and see how does it look like. Look, it's a quite decent opening, right? But I found something I don't like in this car. To IKEA. I think for this level of the car, it can be a little bit more premium. And the overall carpet, I feel not very soft. Plus these bolts, I do feel it looks a little bit too rough. I don't know, I would cover it with something. However, it's a media car, maybe it's not a production car yet. So I'm not sure, later we need to stop by the shop and see whether these bolts are covered or not. This is the third color we've seen today, black. This is my favorite. I think in this color, car looks gorgeous. It's like a super VIP sedan. How do you guys think? Which color is the best for this car?